The Broil King Grill Cleaners. Keeping your grill shiny and clean is a tough job, but the Broil King series of grill cleaners make it quick and easy. They're tough on grease and help bring back the lustrous shine of your stainless steel. Use the grill cleaner and degreaser spray to eliminate stains from grease, smoke, and burnt on food. It's safe and effective to use on the grill and castings. For extra tough stains on a well-loved grill, use the Revitalizer Cream on both stainless and porcelain-coated grills to make it look like new again. Add the cream directly to the surface without water, then scrub and buff away, revealing a revitalized finish. For an added oil-free shine on your stainless steel components, use the stainless steel grill cleaner and polish. It's the best way to make your stainless grill sparkle. These cleaning solutions are an essential add-on to keep your grill looking its best, or to bring back the splendor of your well-used Broil King grill. The Broil King Grill Cleaners. Broil King. Do more with your grill.